In this video tutorial, we will add more column sizes and place columns with X or Y offset values. Let us add 2 column sizes in the file. Click the Structure tab and Column tool. From the Properties palette, select the column size 600 by 750 mm. In the Type Properties box, click the Duplicate button. Name the new size as 400 by 750 mm. Change the size 600 to 400 in the Type Properties box. Hit the OK button. I will repeat the procedure to add another column of the size of 600 by 550 mm. I will open the single-level column manager. Select base level as level 1. Select X symmetry. Select column size 600 by 750 for the grid point A1. Hit the OK button. Observe the 2 columns in the drawing. Reopen the dialog box. Select base level as level 1. Select the Y symmetry. Select column size 600 by 750 for column grid B1. Hit the OK button. Check the columns in the drawing area. Reopen the dialog box. As we want to place the column from level 2 to 3, select base level as level 2. Select X symmetry. Select column size 400 by 750 for the grid point A1. Use offset value as -100. Hit the OK button. Observe the 2 columns in the drawing. Now we will place the columns in Y symmetry. Reopen the dialog box. Select the Y symmetry. Select column size 600 by 550 for column grid B1. Use offset value as -100. Hit the OK button. Check the columns in the drawing area.